Hello everyone. Konnichiwa. Ohayo gozaimasu. Konbanwa. Today I want to talk about Japanese numbers and I want to just share a quick and a good technique about learning Japanese numbers for beginners. So when I learned Japanese numbers, I learned it from 1 to 10, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, and so on. But I also trained myself to, say it aloud for a better remembrance. Speaking aloud and, the language, the words or the numbers is very important. I also just looked myself at the mirror by saying 100, kyū-kyū, juu-hachi, so 100, 99, 98. And there's one more technique. Take any number, just put the number here on the air. Pick any numbers randomly, put it, just take it out of your mind and say them aloud in Japanese. So example, 12, juu-ni, 22, nijuu-ni. So that's how it goes. It's also fun because, it's like, let's say you're doing shopping and you're at the till paying the amount, and the total amount doesn't go from one, two, three, four, five. It's random, yeah. It's the numbers are like 58, whatever the currency is, 69, whatever the currency is. So you could just think of that number in Japanese, or 68, that's juu-hachi. I know you have to pay that amount, but also it's a chance for you to think that in Japanese. Thank you.